Have you ever wondered why your accountability causes you to allow your ego to get in the way of finding the right mate? This is the talk I want to talk about. Is most people don't have emotional accountability. And you tap out because of several things. It could be your ego, it could be defensiveness, it could be you're blaming others. And I'm talking about this because most people don't think about a person not having enough emotions to be in a relationship. And you find yourself within relationships with someone that you desire or seek or want, and you never think about, are they emotionally available for you? And so let me give you an example so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Because the thing about it is, most people who don't really give the emotional accountability is blaming another person for why they don't fulfill their needs, their desires, the conversation, the connection. So stay with me, and I'm going to quickly just give you this talk because we're missing a lot of understanding about how we connect with each other. And so I want to get into that, and I want you to stay with me because I'm going to be putting together awesome, I would say to me it's a guide. And I want you to take this guide that I'm going to have that's going to be coming up next week. I'm going to do a live, and I want to offer it to you. If you're interested in it, please go into the link in the description, send me an email. I'm working on getting the site together so that you can get your copy early. But this guide is going to get you to understand the type of people that are crossing your path, that you're missing the characteristic and the behavior of someone that you bring into your life. And once you understand that, you're better able to connect with people that you seek, or to connect with people that you're already in a relationship with, or connect with the person that you have lost that connection with, and you possibly leading to separation, divorce, or just ending this relationship, okay? So stay with me. You would love Dr. Pamela. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your comments and your likes. Help me bring information to you. So continue to hit that notification button so that I can bring more information that's going to really help you understand about connecting better relationship, because that's what it's about. My goal is to help you get transformation and strategies. I've been doing this now for over probably 15 years. And what I do, I help men and women find love, get love, keep love, enhance it. And that's why I'm known as the Love Doctor. I am a certified, educated loveologist, and I help you understand how to connect with someone that you're seeking to continue to have a successful relationship. Okay? So thank you for joining me.